In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a worksheet in Microsoft Excel, a crucial skill for anyone working with spreadsheets. Let's get right into it. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Excel. If you haven't already done so, make sure it's launched and that you're at the main workspace area. This step ensures you're ready to start engaging with the spreadsheet environment. Upon opening Excel, direct your attention to the bottom of the window. Here, you'll find the Sheet tabs, which usually start with names like Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and so on. These tabs are your starting point for navigating between different worksheets within the same workbook. Understanding how to manage these is fundamental for organizing your data efficiently. Now let's move on to the task of actually inserting a new worksheet. You'll want to look just past the last visible Sheet tab on the right. Right there, you should notice a button that features a plus sign icon. This button is your go-to tool for adding new worksheets whenever you feel the need to expand your spreadsheet setup. Once you locate that plus sign button, go ahead and click on it. Immediately upon doing that, you'll notice a new worksheet appearing in your workbook. This newly inserted sheet will become the active sheet, meaning it's automatically ready for you to begin entering data or performing any other tasks you have in mind. What's great about Microsoft Excel is that it makes this process incredibly quick and seamless. By clicking that plus icon, you eliminate the need for any cumbersome menu navigation, allowing you to stay focused on your work. Excel will name the new sheet in the next consecutive order, like Sheet 3 or Sheet 4, ensuring you always have a clear identifier for your new blank canvas. By following these simple steps, you've just expanded your workbook with additional space to accommodate more data, calculations, or whatever your project demands. Understanding how to efficiently add worksheets can greatly enhance your productivity in Excel. Feel free to repeat this process as many times as you need. There is no practical limit to how many worksheets you can add, aside from the performance capacity of your machine. This ability to customize and grow your workbook makes Excel a powerful tool for a wide range of tasks, from small data collections to extensive data analysis workflows. As we conclude, remember this simple action is a valuable technique in mastering your Excel experience. Whether you're preparing reports, tracking expenses, or building data models, adding new worksheets will be something you'll do frequently and effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the many features that Excel offers to supercharge your spreadsheet skills.